Good morning, family. I'm Stephanie Day. I'm Habasha, helping your brothers and sisters in Africa, and I'm also the Creole Grill Tish, y'all. How y'all doing this morning? Me, I'm doing just wonderful here in the Gambia. It is just so beautiful. I woke up so many times this morning, but it was still like too early to get up and record. Well, when I finally did get up this last time, to my surprise, the sun is already out, y'all. Yeah. So it's actually later than I normally record in the morning. I'm excited actually because it's nice to be able to have a different view in the morning, you know? Just makes my day, y'all. Just makes my day. I already took a picture of it. And sometimes you can get that background just right, and sometimes you don't. Because, you know, it's light, and light plays games with us. You have to figure out how to capture the light so that the camera can see what your eyes are seeing or what is projecting to your mind. You know? So when the camera agrees with what your mind sees, then that's the perfect shot, y'all. But I don't necessarily get the perfect shot all the time. When I do, I'm excited. But for right now, as long as we're recording, it's a good shot for me, you know? But when you see me smiling and stuff, I'm looking at the birds flying all around, knowing that they not in the camera this time, and that's okay. I'll get some bird shots before it's over with. They'll just fly into the screen, or I'll turn the camera around. But anyway, how y'all doing this morning? I hope y'all are doing wonderful, no matter where you are in the world. Happiness comes from within, not just within me. It can come from within you too, or it does. Only you know. You're the master of your feelings. Yes, you are. But anyways, if this is your first time coming to my channel, welcome to my channel. And if you're coming back, welcome back. I tell you, inside of me, it was just saying, this is the day that the Creator has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. And I was just so happy to get up and prepare to get on camera to speak with y'all. As y'all know, I got to be like putting my earrings on and wrapping my head and all of that. Because no, I don't sleep in a scarf, not all the time anyways. But anyway, y'all, if you have not subscribed, please do. It's free, y'all. What's y'all hold up? These birds, I'm telling you, they just have their whole party on top of these roofs. But it's not my house, y'all. It's other people's house. I'm kind of glad I'm not at the top. I'm sure it would sound really weird having vultures laying on your rooftop, you know. But looking at them from here, they actually look as good as an eagle. I think they're in the same family anyway. The vultures, the eagles, the turkeys, all of them in the same family. But anyway, y'all, life is good any day you wake up and you realize that you're here. And it's beautiful. And that's no matter where you are in the world. You can be happy that you woke up this morning, y'all, because if you don't, the alternative is you somewhere else. And only the Most High knows where that is. I know the ancestors, they in their ancestral realm, but they're not communicating with me other than through my stories. When I tell my stories, y'all, because I tell y'all before I come out here and turn this camera on, I don't know what I'm going to be discussing that day. But I know that it's okay because somebody out there want to hear something I got to say. I'm telling you, these birds here is more active at this time of boy than did any other time of boy that look like. I just been back in the house, I guess. That is really something. But anyway, y'all, these birds are something else. But anyways, if y'all have any subjects that y'all want me to talk about, y'all can always mention them in the comments and I will answer them. If you become part of Patron, you can ask more behind the scenes stuff and I'll do the behind the scenes stuff for y'all. Yeah, I will. I hope y'all been getting excited about the updates when I go back on the land and do the little things out there. I actually am not in charge of the things that's going on over there. It's my family member, my friend Salif, who's acting as the manager of the building of the fence. It takes lots of different steps that he knows about because he's been involved in them, doing other projects before for other people. It's just a blessing having a Gambian that does know how to get some things done. Because I'm telling you, it's just not like if I was in the USA. Things are a lot simpler over there, but still you don't have control over who's doing the job. I remember when I did the electrical rewiring at my house. I paid one person. Then the next thing you know, I had some people at my house that I didn't know nothing about. And then when it came time for the inspector to come, a different group of people came who didn't even have anything to do with wiring my house. I know they didn't, but they was there when the inspectors came. So that's how it is sometimes, no matter where you are in the world. Unless you're doing the job yourself, you just have to trust that who's in charge of the job is getting the correct people to do everything the correct way. And I know it'll be just fine, because it's a fence, y'all. It ain't that serious. It's just marking my boundaries, that's all. Marking my boundaries. When that gets done, during the rainy season, we're gonna plant some bamboo. So after the rainy season, you'll see a natural fence all around, which will only continue to grow and become lovely, because I love natural things, y'all. And natural actually equates to more economical too, because everything you see that's manufactured, the price actually goes up all the time. All the time. It's boats stuck in the ocean and prices go up. That's just the way it goes. Everything is supply and demand. Supply and demand. But anyway, y'all, I'm having fun going on these excursions. I'm not going to talk about any paperwork things other than letting y'all know I'm not going to be doing any updates until I get the final documents. Because I don't want folks to get stressed about my things, you know. I don't want to loan my troubles to anybody. Like my grandmother say, don't borrow trouble. Trouble will find you. Well, I'm not going to loan no trouble to none of y'all. Let's just say it's all good, y'all. I'm in the motherland. I'm feeling so blessed. I'm feeling so wonderful. I get treated like I'm home. People want to listen to what I got to say. I'm the boss lady. You gotta pay the cost to be the boss, but that's okay. Somehow I don't feel that way when I'm in Galveston, even though I'll be paying the cost, you know. I feel like I gotta get out the way and et cetera, while they doing their job. Oh, and I just be hoping that they hurry up when I'm in Galveston. Now while I'm here, I just be saying, okay, I just want to see the puzzle pieces fit in, just out of curiosity to know what it'll look like when it's done, and knowing that it's still just a part of the puzzle piece, because it still has to wait for rainy season for Mother Nature to finish the job. And I know she'll do a wonderful job. She always does. She always does. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your beautiful day. I wish I could let y'all see all this activity that be happening above my head, y'all. But somehow I'm not sitting in the right place. And I'm going to turn this camera around a little bit so y'all can see, and hope I don't overextend my time so I can still upload this. Hold on. Okay, guys. There's the one making all the noises up there. And I have to always remember that their prey is always when you're dead, knowing that I'm alive. I say you can't judge anything by the way it looks. So they've been out on the rooftop this morning, but they're also across the street in those trees. They've been flying above my head the whole time I've been talking to y'all. And there's this beautiful sun, y'all. Finally, it's in a position where I can show y'all something. It's just magnificent to me. And I know I can't show it that well because it'll have a little spot in the camera. Somehow it doesn't like to be recorded like that. Maybe I need a different kind of filter on my camera so I can record the sun better. I'll research it, y'all, when I get back. But for right now, at least y'all see a little bit of what I was looking at, including the birds. I'm telling you, they just been flying and flying all around. And I can't even show y'all all of what I'm saying because I don't have the camera at the right. That's better. I'll be trying to do it where y'all can see them better, but then it's not at the right angle for y'all to see them at all. So, as they say, it's a catch-22. Because as big as they are, they're on the lines like crows this morning. I didn't even know the lines could hold these big old birds up. But it is. They're all in the trees and on the wires. And they don't hurt any living thing at all. They just seem weird to me because I'm not used to seeing them in America other than on TV. As they say, stuff you don't see on TV. Early morning shots from people in their front yard. No, you're not gonna see. And what I'm showing y'all, ain't nobody else gonna show y'all this either, because it's not of their interest. I'm showing y'all what interests me, y'all. And I love nature, and I sure hope y'all do too. I hope just a little peek at what I'm seeing in the morning will help make your day a little brighter. I hope so. Because I'm telling y'all, I'm having a bird show extraordinaire this morning. And I know I can't show y'all very long, because if I do, I'll never be able to upload it. And they'll be coming on top of the house. I just can't get that shot. But it's right up there, y'all. I just can't get them. But anyway, it's okay. I'm glad I'm not upstairs. Like I said, I'm sure there would be a weird noise from being up at the top. That's the bird that was up at the top, y'all. Look at that. All coming from the top of the house. They look like gangsters though, y'all. They do. They look like gangster birds. And here are the little crows. Like they just wanted a demonstration for y'all, a little quick demonstration before I get done. I hope the light is not bothering y'all too much. They turn that camera around. There you go. There's some shots for y'all. Trying to go in a way where I'm not getting those lights in the camera. Wow, they doing it, y'all, for y'all. Well, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed that aerial show from our friends, the birds. And until next episode, y'all, peace, peace, power to the people. And I'm out, y'all. Bye.